Hi guys, this video is to help you turn the service light off after you've serviced it yourself on a Zafira B or Astra H. Right, first things first, obviously turn the ignition on. As you can see, it says inspection. So to turn this inspection light off, you do this. As you put your foot on the brake pedal, and also you've got this button here. Hold that down at the same time, turn the ignition on. When you hold the brake and this bit here, hold it, and then the info on there would say inspect and it'll flash a few times. Hold it there until it says 19,000 and then turn the key off, turn the key on, then turn it off. And as you can see, I've turned the ignition on now, it's gone. There you go guys. Well, hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.